Hey guys, and welcome to today's video, which is a day in the life slash what we eat in a day. I don't really know, but we have our water. I drink at least one of these a day. I drink one of these a day. That's it. Adam sometimes drinks more than one.
Yeah, about 1.5 on average.
And these are from Amazon. I can link them below if you're interested. I highly recommend because it makes sure I drink all my water. But now I'm gonna have breakfast. Adam already had breakfast because he got up early this morning, worked out with my brother Levi, and had his breakfast and everything.
Forgot to vlog it.
Yeah, so you don't get to see that. Anyways, so I'm gonna have breakfast. Part of that is this coffee that Starbucks gave my dad the wrong coffee for my mom, so now I get to have it, which I've never had this. It's a latte, triple hazelnut vanilla. I'm sure it's not healthy at all, but I'm not gonna waste good coffee.
It's free.
So I'm gonna have that, and I think I'm gonna make some oatmeal.
Easy as pie, lemon, apple or cherry. Loving you is so very.
Okay, so I'm done with breakfast now, and I'm heating up my coffee. Ow. And then I'm just gonna get ready for the day. And getting ready while social distancing is different than getting ready for any other thing but coffee. But we're gonna do it because getting ready makes me feel better. And Adam and I are gonna be filming a workout video today, plus we're filming this video, so I might as well look good on camera. Okay, so I'm now ready for the day, and this is my QOOTD, if you know what that means. I don't want to say the word here on YouTube because I've heard that it's been getting blacklisted, and that's like the last thing I need. But yeah, my social distancing outfit, I know it doesn't match, but these are happy colors, and it's like Easter week. And then also these slippers, I've been living in these. Adam got me these from Walmart for my birthday, and I've loved them. So Adam is doing school and work and stuff still. I might do some work, watch some educational videos and stuff, do my devotions. I have to plan the workout for the video that we're going to shoot today, and then I have something really cool I want to show you guys. So stay tuned. This is the devotion that we do. We got it as a wedding present from one of my old co-workers, and it was a really great wedding gift, and I really like this book. Highly recommend. Okay guys, Adam is going to show us the thing that I wanted to show you guys now. Let's show him.
All right. I need help.
Okay.
Here it is.
And the big reveal. Ta-da! So Adam built this power rack with his own 2 hands, and he did it in like in the span of 2 days, but 6 hours. So we've got all our weights out here, bands, hip thrust bar.
Stuff we borrowed from the gym since it's shut down anyway.
Yeah, the gym that he's personal trainer at. So yeah, now this is our little gym rig, but don't worry, we'll still be making body weight and easy dumbbell workouts that are very effective. So, pretty impressive though, right guys? I'm impressed.
Calls for desperate measures.
Oh, hi Thor.
What's up, big boy?
What's up, big boy? You're a good boy.
Hey, check out Thor's TikTok, guys. He's famous on TikTok.
What the heck was that?
Thor Bushnell.
What the heck happened out there?
Oh yeah, so tell him what happened.
Yes, we got a snow squall, it's called. So basically, it was sunny this morning, then it got cloudy, and then we got a warning on our phones actually. It got pushed to our phones that a snow squall was coming, and you could kind of see it coming. The wind blew it in. It was blowing hard out there. And we went from being able to see, there's a field in the back where you can see, it's probably about 2 football fields away. You could see the house over there. You went from being able to see all the way over there to barely being able to see our fence in our backyard. It was just instant whiteout.
It was crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, for those that want to know what Adam is eating today, right now he's about to have some cheese sticks, and he mows through them, as he just said.
Yeah.
And then what'd you have for breakfast?
I had
If you want to get big like Adam, listen up.
I had 2 waffles with butter, and I actually put jelly on them instead of syrup because I think that's better. That's just something I do. And then other than that, I had a big old protein shake after my first workout today that I forgot to vlog. And basically, I put ice, a banana, a scoop of creatine, a scoop of whey, a thing of yogurt, and then I put in a cup of whole milk, a cup of almond milk, and a whole egg in there. And I thought about making eggs, but I got lazy, so I didn't put them in here. A single whole egg in here. And yeah, it's good. It's just a protein shake.
Sounds disgusting to me, but to each his own.
It's delicious. I know you're not supposed to eat the cheese stick like this, but I do, and I hope it triggers some of you because I don't care.
Comment below if that makes you upset that he eats it like that.
Sweet, 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 how can it be such a piece of cake? And your smile is the icing, love.
Okay, now that the workout has been filmed, I am gassed from just that. So it's a good one. You should definitely check it out. If it's not already up, it'll be up soon. And if it's up, I'll link it below or in one of these key cards. Yeah, so we are done with the workout. And usually I would have had a snack before lunch, but I think because I have this coffee, I haven't needed one. Sometimes coffee makes me feel pretty full. So we are going to be making lunch now. And for lunch today, we are making pizzas. And we are going to be using Kodiak pancake mix as the dough. And I learned this from Madison Mealy on Instagram. And it is a great tip and so easy. So we're gonna be making that. Okay, so you first start by taking any seasonings you want to add to make it more pizza dough-like. And then you take the amount of Kodiak cakes that you need. I'm gonna do 1 cup to start. I think half of a cup is a serving. So we'll probably double the amount for Adam's. And then mine will just be a serving. However much you think is needed. Okay, once you have all your seasonings and the pancake mix in there, then you're just gonna slowly add water until you get a dough-like consistency, and I'll show you what that looks like. So then once it looks a little something like this, you're good to go. Okay, next I have a pan. I put some parchment paper down, and I'm just gonna spray it with non-stick, just to be sure, even though parchment paper is pretty good about not sticking. Also, you're gonna wanna preheat your oven. I have mine preheating to 400, but I can't remember if the recipe is 350 or 425, so that's why I went middle ground. Then you're just gonna flatten your dough out, and you wanna get it pretty thin so that it cooks crusty, depending on what kind of pizza you like. It gets pretty sticky, so if you wet your hands with cold water, that is a trick I learned that helps, so I'm gonna do that. This trick also works with like a spoon or spatula. If you just get it a little wet with cold water, it helps. Okay, so I think that's good, so we're gonna put it in the oven for about 10 minutes, and then we'll add the toppings and we'll cook it for like another 5.
Time to put the sauce on. I like mine to be pretty saucy. You like those pizza guys do it in the movies. But yeah. I'm natural, I was born for this. If I could eat pizza for every meal of the day, every day, I would. But she doesn't let me.
I hate our lighting in this basement so badly. I want natural lighting, but we don't have any. So we make do.
Yeah, I like a lot of cheese, guys, so don't judge me.
Protein.
Yeah, exactly. That's the reason.
Zoom in on this.
That is my entire reason. A little bit more. I always got to do a little bit more than I think. I don't want to disappoint myself.
And Adam's favorite type of pizza is just cheese. Did you already tell him that?
Just cheese. No.
What's your rating?
10 out of 10. Highly recommend.
I'm having mine with a side salad, and we're going to eat this while we watch that.
That's a lie. We'll come back to that. Why can't?
All right, so now I'm out in the garage. I'm gonna do a little glute workout, mostly just hip thrust. Want to work on my glute growing during this time, so I'm very happy that we have this power rack here. And I also wanted to let you guys know I had some watermelon as a snack, and then I'm filming on my phone and I'm working out with Lindy, so the quality won't be that great, but. So enjoy this time lapse of us working out.
And yours apart. It's sweet, sweet, sweet. How can it be? And you make my candy coated heart melt. When you take my hand and I am under your spell.
Okay, so I'm done with that little workout. I'm eating some watermelon. I apologize about the lighting. It's not ideal. I wish I had natural lighting, but as I've said a million times, exaggeration. As I've said before, we live in a basement apartment where we literally have 2 windows and they're both in bedrooms that we don't film in. So anyways, I wanted to come on here and show you guys what Adam got me for Easter. It's like Easter is this coming Sunday, so it's a little Easter gift. Just an excuse to buy me something. So he got this, which I helped him pick out because I wanted it. Seen these all over the internet and I think they sound awesome. So we're gonna try that. And then these pins. Okay, so it's time to make dinner. Adam just got back in from working out. I have baked potatoes in the oven. They've been in there almost an hour, so now I'm gonna make the broccoli and the chicken sausage. It's a pretty simple meal, but it's also pretty delicious. I've been obsessed with baked potatoes and just potatoes in general recently. Adam can testify to that. He's shaking his head yes. So we're gonna do that so that we can have dinner because we're hungry. We'll watch our show while we eat, but I don't need to tell you all that. We'll get back to you. I'm gonna make dinner and then I'll show you.
Baby, I crave your affection. When I stepped in sweet confection, honey, you're my sugar. I'm pleased as punch, whether spiked or sparkling. You make me tipsy and bubbly. If you're dessert, I want that.
Adam, tell the people what we're doing.
Going to the hot tub.
Woo!
And enjoy the sunset and our drinks from the hot tub. Just having some drinks in the hot tub. The love of my life. Watching this sunset. It's not supposed to happen for another hour, actually.
That's my bad. I thought it was earlier.
It's about 7:10 right now. It doesn't happen until 8:13, we found out. We'll put a clip in of what this was earlier, but this is the same day. And we had that whiteout.
Okay, we are now out of the hot tub, showered, all of that, and we are going to be making a dessert. We are going to be making some of these. We like to keep these on hand just in case we're feeling like we need a sweet treat, and we'll just make a few of them at a time. So we're gonna make a few of them tonight. I didn't have to do anything but put these cookies in the oven, and I still couldn't do that. They still, I mean, they're fine. They're still gooey, but they look a little dark. Anyways. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. We're gonna watch our show and go to bed now. Thanks so much for watching.
Last comes first, oh how I love